Hello co-visualizers. What we have right now is a family area scene. I will share my lighting setup and V-ray setting and use curve correction. And on the second part of the tutorial is the post-production process. Shout out to our co-visualizer and also co-member of the United CG Pinoy and 3D Pinoy digital artist, Sian Buenaflor, for requesting this tutorial. So when you look at the camera, I have a ready camera here that is I used very physical camera. On the parameters, for the white balance should be neutral, and then for the shutter speed, the default is 200. So from this scene, I'll make it 270, and then for the ISO, I just leave it 100. So that is for the physical camera. And then next is for the V-Ray sun. I have set up the V-Ray sun here. These are the parameters. The intensity multiplier is 2, and then the size multiplier is 2 also, and then subdivs should be at least 8. And then next for the V-Ray sun is the V-Ray sky. Get the render setup, open the render setup, and then open the environment, press 8, and then from here you put a environment map of V-Ray sky. So if I clear this up, this use map should be checked, and then from none you click that none, and then select V-Ray sky, double click. Okay, just place it on the environment map. So no need to modify the V-Ray sky, no need to put it in the material editor. And next is the V-Ray light inside the scene. So I have it here, a V-Ray light plane. These are the parameters. I turn off the intensity because I use the SKYLIGHT portal. You check the SKYLIGHT portal and then check the symbol, and then affect reflection, affect specular, and diffuse are check also. And then for the V-Ray settings, so render setup F10. For the V-Ray settings, you need to adjust. I'm using for the output size is 24 by 18, and then for the V-Ray settings, the filter should be area. Choose the area, and then for the color mapping, you check the subpixel mapping, check the clamp output, and then use type is exponential. I use exponential normally to interior scenes. And then on the GI, enable the GI, use primary engine as the irradiance map. For the secondary engine, use light cache. And then for the parameters of the irradiance map is, for the final output, you use the value of 1000 for the subdips, and for the interp samples, use 50. And then for the light cache parameters, for the subdivs, use 1000 for the subdivs. And then for the render elements, lastly the render elements, use extra text. So if we were going to just delete all of this and then put it again, add V-Ray extra text, wire color, V-Ray reflection, and V-Ray refraction. Those were the common elements that I'm using in my interior scenes. And then for the extra text, instead of using the ambient occlusion for the rendering, to less the time of rendering, use the extra text to put some dirt on your scene. So I select the extra text, and then here on the parameters, under texture, click the none, and then insert Vray dirt. Okay, on the texture. Okay, so that's it for the Vray settings. So now we are ready to render this scene. So use Vray frame buffer, so we can use the curve correction later while we are after we render, to improve the contrast and brightness of the scene. Okay, let's start to render.
A few inches later.
Okay, after we render the scene, we will apply the color corrections. This can be located here down the frame buffer on the lower part of our Vray frame buffer. The use color curve correction, click this on, and then to show the corrections control, click this on. Okay, so we will only use the curve for this one. So just try to this end of this line, right click on it, and then choose the bezier, and then try to just move the end of the line here, so you can adjust the brightness. And then from the lower part of the line, right click, and then choose bezier, and then you will adjust the contrast. Okay, so if you're satisfied with the output, just save all your render elements here on the upper part. Save all image channels for the elements that we put in our render elements in 3D Max. You'll just make a new folder on the raw, and then rename the elements, and then save as type, save it as a targa, click override, and then put the gamma of 2.2, and then save. So all your render elements will be saved, including this final image.